What's up, YouTube friends? Now, earlier this month, before all these shenanigans happened, one of my subscribers and friends hit me up on Facebook and asked if I would like some fabric. I'm not one to turn down free fabric, so I said of course. She sent me a link to her shop and I went to check out what she had. Now, she has a whole bunch of prints that I have not seen before, and when it comes to fabric, I'm like a kid in the candy store. I just could not make up my mind. So I just told her to send me a box of fat quarters and surprise me, and boy was I surprised. So now I'll just move you guys over to the sewing table and we'll go through what MerMer sent me. Alright guys, so like I said, these are all fat quarters. I did zoom in the camera so you can see the print better. I hope it's going to work out. And now, it's time for a fabric music montage. Alright guys, and she also sent me some interfacing. This is SF101. Now I have seen this, but I have not used this before. It's kind of like a bleached muslin, I guess, with the glue on the inside. And I thought this would be great for making patches. Now I've seen on a few pins people making patches out of fabric. So for example, say I wanted to make this into a patch. So I could just back it with that interfacing, fussy cut around the picture that I want, and you got yourself a patch. You could throw that on your backpack, on a shirt, on a jean jacket, anything like that. Now everything in my box came nicely packaged. It was all wrapped in tissue paper, and then she sealed them with her cute little stickers. And it was also labeled, and she also sent me a nice personalized little letter. And yes, MerMer, I did enjoy this. Now it's the hard part, trying to pick my favorites. Now of course, I never say no to free fabric, so I like it all. But if I had to choose, of course the deer print. I love that. This cat print, I just think that's very unusual and colorful. And I also really like these triangles. So don't be surprised if you see this in an upcoming quilt top. And I also really love this cat print. Now as far as the Christmas fabric goes, I am in love with this print. I'm a country boy at heart, so I really like that wood grain in the background, and then just all the natural elements like the evergreens, the acorns, and of course the deer. She also told me that she's going to get another shipment of Christmas fabric, I believe in July, so keep your eyes open for that. Now I'll be putting this up on Easter Sunday, and I also know as of now she does have a sale going on. So of course I'm going to link her down below. This is just to give you an idea of some of the prints she has on her shop. She has way more than this. And I just want to give a big thanks to MerMer. This was pretty unnecessary. I wasn't expecting all of this. And also thank you for being a subscriber and a friend. She was one of the OG people over on Facebook. I hope everyone has a great Easter weekend. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you next time.